Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the William Hill app on any mobile device. In this case I'm using iPhone, but it's the exact same for Android. So since I'm using iPhone, I'll go to the App Store. For Android devices, it's the Google Play Store. Click in there, go to the search page and start typing in William Hill. Press search. And there's usually an advert at the top. But I always skip past that and go to the first organic listing, the William Hill Sports Betting app, press the Get button, and then it's going to ask us to confirm our Face ID. So you need to double click pretty quickly the button on the right hand side of the iPhone. From there, it's going to confirm our Face ID and start downloading. That's the blue little ring going around the circle. From there, now that William Hill has fully downloaded, press the Open button to run the app. It's going to ask you to confirm your location. I always press allow while using the app. Sending you notifications, don't allow. And there we have it, guys. This is the William Hill app. It has fully successfully downloaded and installed on this iPhone device. From there, there's some buttons in the top right. You've got the Join Now button. If you have not created an account before, you can register, maybe sign up for some different offers. I'm going to cancel it there. If you already have an account, you can go to the Login button, type in your username and password, and then start betting in William Hill. So, guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.